Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to MindYourCrypto. Today we have Chainlink daily update, but we are going to see the long term. We are going to see by the end of the year, or not only by the end of the year, where are we going. So eventually we will make a price prediction in the technical analysis. Before we begin, join our monthly subscription. Link is in the description down below. Buy me a coffee /MindYourCrypto. You get easy profits with automated signal buying opportunities, personal guidance, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis, and many more to come. So join in before it's too late, because only 50 people can join in. I don't have the time for more, guys, and you can cancel your subscription anytime you like. Also join our Telegram group chat. Link is in the description down below. We are a community that grows together and we are having a fantastic time there. We help each other every day. Hit the like button and subscribe if you like the content. Thank you so much for watching. Let's go now to the weekly. Link USDT on the weekly frame to see possible price targets. And as you can see here, guys, we almost went on the 16 Tether USD for Chainlink. That's so much further down from our all-time high. You can see here, guys, 70% almost we are down on the weekly frame in just few weeks, guys. You can see not even 2 months and we are 70% down. So a huge correction here for Chainlink, and we might be going further down. But we will discuss the good news here. If we can achieve those prices, 65 Tether USD, 78, 84 and 93. I've drawn my Fibonacci retracement level starting from the bottom right there before the impulsive wave, ending up to the top. The reason is I wanted to find resistance levels. Mainly, guys, when you draw from the bottom to the top, you find support levels. But with the settings I have, minus 0.236, minus 0.5, minus 0.618 and minus 0.786, you find resistance levels as well. And we will discuss if this is possible to achieve by the end of the year. I think not, guys. It will take us more to go above the previous all-time high right there. And we will discuss if we are able to achieve easily these price targets. On the common channel index on the weekly frame, we are in an oversold situation. The RSI, we are not. We can correct even more. On the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold situation as well for Chainlink on the weekly frame. And we will see now a little bit about Chainlink Bitcoin price. So I will just delete all of these, guys, because we will need them afterwards, but it's okay. I will delete all of these drawings right here and we will start from anew. I've drawn my Fibonacci from the top we formed back on 10th August 2020. You remember DeFi went crazy back then and weighted down all the way down to 28 December 2020. The reason is I want to find major resistance levels, and here we are. We found resistance at 0.5. Now we are consolidating back. And what we want here for Chainlink is to see how fast can we actually go to the 0.618. I think we can go fast there, but at the price label for Chainlink will be the 0.0011 around there. You can see the price label. If you multiply this price with 100k Bitcoin, let's say by the time we reach there, Bitcoin will be 100k, then you get the 118 Tether USD for Chainlink, right? That is 2x almost from our price targets, from our first actually price targets, and then a little bit less than our next. Okay, so for now, if it is 100k, we will be getting an 118 link Chainlink. But the most possible scenario, guys, might be not for Bitcoin to be 100k by the time we reach there. It might be a little bit less. Let's say it is around 50k. It will be the half. It will be around 60, guys, around their Tether USD. So yes, the first target is very possible by the time we go there. If Bitcoin is 50k, which is pretty possible, guys, then of course we are going to 60 to 65 Tether USD. If we go up here, guys, and you multiply this number on the 0.786 with 100k Bitcoin, you get 140 Tether USD Chainlink, right? So by the time we reach there, you might get 140 if Bitcoin is 100k. If not, let's say if it is half, around 50k, you will get 70. So we are close to our next, the minus 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level. You can see that. The reason is here. Is it possible to go upward soon? Well, look, if on the weekly frame we go further down for the RSI and don't keep the higher low pattern, then we will be consolidating for more than 6 months. But if we form a higher low pattern right here and we go upwards, then not. On the commodity channel index, you can see we are not yet in an oversold situation. We can go even further down. On the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold situation. Let's go a little bit to the Chainlink against Ethereum, guys, because you can see on Ethereum we are having lower RSI. Chainlink against Ethereum, guys, is going increasingly and rapidly into an oversold situation. You can see here, guys, I will try to draw a Fibonacci retracement, right? And I will start from this bottom right here. Actually, let's see a little bit. This bottom right here, there we go. I will zoom in a bit so you can see it clearly afterwards. Do not worry about that. And I will draw my fib all the way upwards to the 0.047 we had as a price label. You can see that we are even lower than the 0.786, but we have one very strong support level right here between those Fibonacci retracement, the 1 and the 0.786. It is, guys, this price label right here. So eventually we want to start actually outperforming against Ethereum, and you can see that we are at almost 0.0077. So I believe, guys, Chainlink against Ethereum will have soon a pump up towards the high. I don't believe that we can go further and further down. If we go further and further down, then we have this price support level right here, maybe this one, lower support levels. According to the RSI, we can correct even more, but we are in a critical oversold situation for many indicators here, many risk metrics. So let's see Bitcoin. By the time, guys, Bitcoin might be, by the time LINKBTC is at 0.618, Bitcoin might be at 50k. I believe, guys, if we go to the weekly frame and see a little bit the RSI, I told you that Bitcoin will probably stop the RSI downfall around here, okay? Because each time we are approaching a top, you can see a bottom, sorry, you can see that we are going higher low. We are having a higher low in the RSI. Before, on 10 September 2018, we went below 30. Afterwards, we went a little bit above the 30, and now we might stop around this support blue area right here. So yes, we can. Eventually, we go all the way down. Then I believe, guys, the consolidation will be longer than 1 year for Bitcoin, and therefore, if LINKBTC goes, I think, at the 0.618 or even higher, Bitcoin might be around 33,000 Tether USD, 40,000 Tether USD. So I think a little bit of a 65 Tether USD or maybe 78 is more possible. But if both of these go along, guys, the LINKBTC chart and Bitcoin chart start to move upwards at the same time, then by the time we reach here, it is very, very possible that Chainlink can even be 118, maybe Bitcoin. If we reach the previous all-time high, maybe it will be the 100k, and therefore 118 Tether USD for Chainlink. But we need a pretty nice momentum here for Chainlink in order to go there. I believe 65 and 78 is more possible price targets by the end of the year, or maybe even more for Chainlink. I think maybe even more. Thank you for watching. Join our monthly subscription to get easy profits with automated signal buying opportunities and personal guidance, of course, educational videos. You can join our Telegram group chat. Both of the links are in the description down below. Hit the like button, subscribe if you like the content. Thank you. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.